What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be trying out the Hydrosilex soap, wheel cleaner, and also their ceramic coating. So I hope this actually works because, as you guys can tell, my truck is seriously super dirty, so it's going to be crazy to see the aftermath if this actually works. So of course we're going to be doing a review on it, so towards the end I'll go ahead and show you guys the after, so that way you guys can see if it worked or not. I'm super excited to actually try out the ceramic coating to see if it actually works or not, because I am going to go ahead and test it out for you guys before you purchase it. Another thing, I do want to let you guys know that if you guys do want to go ahead and get a free bottle of their ceramic coating, I also do have a coupon code which is right here, and you could also get it right in the description box below. So if you want to test it out for yourself, there it is. Let's go ahead and now jump right into the video and show you guys what it's about. Let's do it. So just in case you guys are curious as to which products I actually have right here from Hydrosilex, if you look right over here, I do have their silica soap, which is going to be for my foam cannon to go ahead and wash the truck down and actually use their nice soap. So over here I do have their wheel cleaner, which we're going to be applying that first before anything. Right here we're going to be using this one right here, which says slick. That one's going to be after we finish up the whole washing the truck and drying it up, because this is going to be their tire shine. And it's awesome because I also have a little brush. The one right here is going to be the actual remover. This one removes anything, any other types of waxes that you might have had on your car or anything like that. So we're going to be using this one before we actually use the ceramic coating, which is the recharge. This one right here is just a waterless wash with ceramic. This one I'll go ahead and save it for another day. But let's go ahead and now jump right into it and see if these products actually work. So the first thing we're going to be trying out is, of course, going to be the wheel cleaner. As you guys can tell, my wheels are super dirty, so we're going to actually see if this really works or not. So let's go ahead and just spray it down with a nice even coat. And of course, once you do one of the wheels, you want to go ahead and do the same exact thing to all four. Not like I'm going to eat it or anything, but I'll be honest, it smells really bad. Let's see what it does. As you can tell, after about 5 minutes, it cleaned it off really well. It beads everything off basically on the floor. As you can tell, there's all the dirt. So now the next step, of course, after you've done all four rims, you want to go ahead and just rinse them down with water, and then we'll go ahead and start washing the truck. Now that you guys saw that the wheel cleaner does actually really work, so if your guys' wheels are super dirty, go ahead and try it out. Up next, we're going to go ahead and now use the foam cannon to go ahead and wash down the truck. Let's do it. Okay, so basically what I just did right here is I taped it down the middle, as you can tell, on the windshield and on the hood. And what I've done first is I've got the rewind. Basically what the rewind does is just kind of strips away any previous waxes or sealants that you have put onto your paint, so that way it just leaves it nice and clean, nice and bare. So up next, basically what we're going to be using is going to be the recharge. Basically what the recharge is what today's main purpose of this video is, which is the ceramic coating. And today we're going to find out if it actually works or not. That's why I taped it down the middle, just that way we can treat this side and leave that side untreated, just to see if it actually works or not. So what we're going to be doing right here is using 2 microfiber towels. I'm going to go ahead and spray it down, kind of clean it off, and then use a nice clean one to give it a nice even cleaning prep. So let's go ahead and see if it works or not. Let's start spraying. Probably not going to notice anything on camera just yet, but once we actually give it a test, the sliding test, that's probably when you'll see if it works or not. So of course, now that I've give it one coat, I'm going to go ahead and give it maybe 2 or 3 more, just to be on the safe side, and then we'll go ahead and do the testing. So let's get to that now. Alright, you guys, so I did finish up. I did about 3 coats of this. The only reason why is because if you guys did see my paint, it was really ugly, so I do want to make sure that it's actually protected. Since I do a lot of off-roading, I want to make sure this product actually works for me. So I did do about 3 coats. Now we're going to go ahead and do the testing. So let's go ahead and look down the line, and we'll get to the testing. Now that we finished finished up with the recharge. Of course, this is the actual ceramic coating. As you can tell, both sides are washed, of course, but the only difference is this side is actually treated and that side is not. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottle test, see if it slides off the hood or not. But even off the bat, in person, you could already tell this side is a lot more sparkly. It looks like it brought out the paint like it's supposed to. On that side, it's just kind of dull, and you can see the scratches, stuff like that. You could even see it on the windshield. If you see my banner versus that side was washed, but it still has the stains of the dirt and all that. On this side, it looks nice, clean, and just a deep crystal clear look. So let's go ahead and give it a bottle test. So I'm going to start off on this side. So put it there. Doesn't move, right? So you see that? All right, now let's go ahead and put it on this side. Check this out, you guys. It's crazy. Woo! Just like that. Let's try it again. Woo! Just like that. So all the ads that you actually see from the Hydrosilex ceramic coating, it actually works. That's crazy. So let's keep trying it. Look at that. No matter where I put it, it wants to slide off. For those of you guys that are curious, I'm going to go ahead and do the bucket test as well, which is probably going to be backtracking from what I just did, but it's fine. I want to show you guys how the water actually beads off when you have this stuff on there. So let's do that right now. All right, you guys, so up next, I'm going to go ahead and now give the water test basically as if it was raining. You're going to see how the water actually beads off the windshield, off the hood, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and now focus on the windshield, see what it actually does. So let's go ahead and give it some water. Okay, so as you can tell, on this side, it's actually beating off like crazy. And on this side, it just kind of basically stayed there. So let's go ahead and now try out the hood and see what that does. So as you can tell, same thing. The water is just kind of staying on this side, and on this side, it's just beating off like nothing. So if you had to ask me, I'd say it actually works. So it's well worth the money, and it's actually really affordable. As I have said, I do have a coupon code, so make sure to go cop yours. Super affordable. Let's do it. So if you guys like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. So of course, now that it's all nice and washed, let me go ahead and show you the paint really quick. So as you can tell, it gives it a nice deep sparkle all over the paint. And now whenever it rains, of course, it's just going to go ahead and bead off with no problem. So you can see it there as well. All the sparkles, it's looking really good. Check that out. Let's go ahead and now set this up here and see if it still works. So there you go. One more time. Let's go ahead and do that. So there you go.